Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vicky here and I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna give you some tips that are gonna help you to scale your affiliate marketing commission. Okay, so basically guys, whenever we choose an affiliate product to promote, we need to choose a right product. Okay, and here are two things that I keep in my mind when I choose my affiliate offer to promote. Okay, so the first thing is that product paying me big commission? Okay, so basically there are different type of products. One is a high ticket product and the second is low ticket product. But when I choose my offer, I consider this fact that is that product gonna pay me big commission? Okay, and the second thing that I keep in my mind is it less time consuming? Okay, I don't want to spend my whole 18 hours on laptop, so I must be making a big commission from one or two affiliate product. And there is another thing that you should consider, is there proof that a lot of people are promoting that affiliate product? Okay, so it's like a proof that other people are promoting that affiliate product. It means that product is working for someone else, right? And then you can start promoting that product. And if you know me and if you have been following me since last few videos, you know that recently I have been promoting high ticket affiliate program. Okay, and what I like about the high ticket affiliate program is if we go to the community here, as you can see here, Karis, he made $6,000 in 24 hours. So $6,000 is someone's monthly income, and Karis made that in 24 hours. Okay, and here I keep scrolling, you will see that here Alex saying screw politics, let's get back to biz, another $2,000 commission on Saturday. So Alex made $2,000 commission yesterday. And here Fraser, seeing that a $1,000 sale came in on autopilot, so Fraser made $1,000. And here Alex again made $2,000, and Rupesh, he got a $25 sale, and Marija, she made $5,275. As you can see here, to all the moms and dad out there still on the fence, let me tell you that it can be done. The best investment is not the system, it's the investment in yourself for your kids. So Martija made $5,000 from this high ticket affiliate program, and here Jeff made $1,000 again, and here Paulo made $2,591, and here Jeff made $300,000 in 6 months. So basically guys, I have been promoting this affiliate program for last few weeks and I have made over $60,000. And unlike the low ticket offers where the commission is like $30, $40, $50, here the commission you get is $1,000, $2,000. And if you see here, like the high ticket and the low ticket, okay, in the high ticket, to make one sale, you need same effort. Okay, the same effort that you're gonna put in a low ticket offer. Okay, and the same time you're gonna put in the high ticket, you will have to put that same time in the low ticket. So it's like you are spending the same effort and same time to generate one sale in high ticket, and this same effort and this same time you're gonna spend in the low ticket offer. But the difference is, for this high ticket offer, I'm getting $2,000 for one sale, whereas in the low ticket I'm getting $30 to $100 for that one sale, even though I'm spending same time and same effort in the low ticket offer, right? So let's say guys, if my goal is to make $10,000 per month, in the high ticket I will need to make 5 to 6 sale per month, and I will achieve that goal of $10,000 per month. Whereas if I'm promoting a low ticket product, to achieve this same goal, I will have to make at least 1,000 sale to make that goal. and that's the reason I like to promote a high ticket product as compared to a low ticket product. Okay, so basically I'm making way more than what I would be making in a low ticket product, putting in my same effort and the same time. And as we can see here guys, a lot of people here is Sam says another $2,000 and $500 came in while I was running for errands. So basically with the high ticket product, people are making money what is a monthly income of someone, right? I will show you right now how you can get started on this system. So basically guys, here Michael says just made my first $2,000 commission. Thanks David for helping me. Almost 3K last month with no experience in affiliate marketing whatsoever. So as we can see here, this guy Michael is complete new and he made his first $2,000 commission. So like I said, either you promote a high ticket or low ticket, it's gonna consume the same time and same effort, but the income is way higher in high ticket, and that's the reason a lot of people are moving towards a high ticket product. Now I will take you ahead and I will show you how you can get started on this particular affiliate marketing program. Okay, so basically guys, this is the affiliate marketing program and I will put the link in the description. Here you need to put your email. It says new member, create a new account. So you need to put email here and you will click yes, let me in. Once you will click yes, let me in, you will land to this page, which is the inner dashboard of this affiliate marketing program. And this guy, he is David Deckel. He is the actually creator of this affiliate marketing program. And here is the webinar. So after you enter your dashboard, you need to watch this entire webinar. Okay, here he has explained everything about the program, and here he has shown how to get traffic to your affiliate link and where to promote this affiliate program, how to promote this affiliate program, and what kind of traffic you should use. So I would recommend you, once you land here, watch this entire webinar. Okay, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, this is your unique affiliate link that you're going to promote and you make sale. And if you scroll down here, you can see there are several income stream. This is income stream number 1. Okay, income stream number 2. So there are several income stream in this system. So basically it's like once you drive the traffic, you are not making money from just one product. You are making money from 7 different products. It's like you are making $15,000 to $20,000 from one affiliate marketing program when you have multiple income stream, right? So guys, on the income stream number 1, this is the cash cow of this funnel. Okay, this is the income stream which has made most of the money to all these peoples. Okay, even me. So this income stream is called Easy One Up. So you need to create account on the income stream number 1. So once you will click here, you will be able to create the account, and there are several different levels in that income stream. It's from $25 to $2,000 level. And here are the bonus that I give you so that you can get a head start. So when you join at the $2,000 level, I give you a free export of your affiliate link in ad rotator. So it's like you're gonna get free traffic for your affiliate link. And the second is Mexico vacation. Okay, I'm gonna give you the Mexico vacation. Okay, and the third is you getting free upgrade to the income stream number 2 at $2,000 level. So here this is income stream number 1 and this is the income stream number 2. So when you join at $2,000 level in income stream number 1, I'm gonna give you free upgrade to income stream number 2 at $2,000 level. Okay, and I'm gonna give you access to my affiliate mastermind Facebook ad training course. So there is a Facebook ad training course and which shows how to promote this program. So I'm gonna give you that course for free. So what you need to do, once you have joined at $2,000 level, you can just email me here. Okay, you can just email me and I will be sending you those bonuses to your email. Okay, you can just email me at vicky@vickykumar.com. And if we talk about the $1,000 level bonuses, these are the bonuses for the $1,000 level. Okay, and if I keep scrolling, these are the bonuses for $500. So the reason I recommend you to go for the highest level is that you can make maximum commission from each sale. So if you are at $25 level, you will be making 25. If you are at $2,000 level, you will make $2,000 per sale. So all the sales that you are seeing here, Luza made $250. Okay, Kelly, she made $2,000. Okay, Jeff, he made $1,000. Karen, she made $2,000 in during lunch today. So they are making $2,000 per sale because they are at $2,000 level. So I would recommend you to go for the highest level, but you can choose whatever level that you are comfortable with, that you want to start at. Okay, so anyway guys, this is how you're gonna start on this affiliate marketing program. And once you have joined at any level, just send me an email saying, hey, I joined Easy One Up under you, and I will release you all these bonuses to your email. Okay, and if you have any question about this program, and if you want to know more, just you can join my Facebook group here. Okay, this is my Facebook group, so you can join my Facebook group, Affiliate Marketing with Vicky Kumar, and here you can ask any question, or you can message me on Facebook also, or you can simply ask me down below this video and I will try to get back to you. So yeah guys, this is the method. Okay, like I said, go with the high ticket product so that you make big commission putting same time and same effort compared to the low ticket product. And I will put the link of this program in the description, and I will also put the link of my Facebook group in the description. So go ahead, check out those links, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.